Okay, now I'm going to jump straight to hands together. Hands together, you've got to make sure that your left hand, fifth finger, the pinky, is on the C, an octave down from the middle C, and in the right hand, the thumb is on the C. But remember, your finger numbers are going to be different. Same position, same fingers are going to facilitate the hand moving over or under. I'm going to do that again, and I'm going to stop at the places where each hand moves under or over. Right hand moves under, left hand moves over. Notice our threes are together. Thumb under in the left hand, third over in the right hand. And notice there again, our threes are together. Threes together. Threes together. And if you had to play the C major scale hands together without any interruptions, I've given you some practice videos in between. Go to the practice video and practice the C major scale. Because it's on YouTube, you are able to actually make the tempo or the speed go slower. So I suggest do that so that you can actually practice it slower, and then eventually you can do it quicker.